Hi, welcome to PeatDataHub. Here you will learn how to create, view, and edit well information. To add a new well, you need to go to Peatland site screen, locate the site that you want to add the well to, and click on View Peatland site. Now you click on Wells tab. This will take you to the wells screen. Click on Add Well Data by the top right hand corner and fill in the necessary information. For well identifier, it is important you use a unique short ID. Well diameter, I'm going to leave these spaces blank, and for the latitudes, I'm using 54. For longitudes, I'm using 2. For the start dates, I'm using just an abstract date, but it is important that your start date should not be older than the end date. The pit depth, we can assume it to be 7. Land use type, can assume arable agriculture. Recording method, we can assume that it was an automatic method that was used to take recordings. Now, if you are okay, you can click on Save. Now we have created a well named Test 01. We can view this newly created well by 2 methods. One is through the Peatland sites. You can navigate through to the sites that you've added the well by clicking on the View Peatland site and clicking on the Wells tab, and you can see the well that we've created. So to view, you can click now on the magnifying glass icon, and you have the metadata of the well you just created. Now you can edit and modify any part of the well information or metadata, and if you're okay with it, you can click on Save. The second means of editing and viewing the created well data is through the wells icon or wells menu. You can click on there and navigate through to where you have the well you've created. This is the well test 01 we've created, and to view, I'll click on the View Pest Sites icon, and here is the metadata of the well created, which is test 01. And to edit, you click on Edit by this site, or you want to delete, you can click on Delete, but we're going to click on Edit to edit what is here. And if we are okay with it, we can click on Save, and this is the saved well that we've created. Thank you very much for watching this video.